Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can change ringtone in VIVO. So to start, you will need to open Settings, then enter the Sound and Vibration category. Onwards, over here, go for the phone ringtone, and you can either select the one that is the system, so anyway, you can pick one of the default system ringtones, or set a custom sound by going for the custom ringtone section and selecting the music or audio file that you would like to serve as your ringtone from now on. Prior to doing that, you obviously got to download the song or audio file on your storage and, well, just have it over there and then select it from this menu. Since I do not have any songs downloaded, it shows me nothing, but in your case you will definitely have the song that you pre-downloaded if you did so. Anyway, that will be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye bye.